Researchers from Caltech and the Technology Innovation Institute in Abu Dhabi recently unveiled the fruits of a 3-year collaborative effort. The team says their X1 is the first multi-robot system in the world that integrates a humanoid robot with a morphing drone. The X1 system includes a unitary G1 humanoid robot that carries the drone like a backpack. Unlike your ordinary JanSport, it's Caltech's M4 robot, which can transition between a quadcopter and a drivable vehicle. The team recently tested the system on the Caltech campus as an autonomous response agent for an on-campus emergency. For the demonstration, the robot walks out of the lab into an elevated spot where it deploys the M4 as a quadcopter. To make it happen, the robot has to bend over. After it was deployed, the M4 landed, transitioned to a vehicle, and drove towards the simulated emergency until it reached a pond. When it hit the shoreline, it autonomously transitioned back to a quadcopter and flew the rest of the way. Meanwhile, the G1 slowly made its way to the destination on foot. The M4 runs on the Saluki, a secure flight controller (TII) designed for onboard computing. Next, the researchers hope to equip the entire system with sensors, model-based algorithms, and machine learning-driven autonomy to navigate and adapt to its surroundings in real time. Right now, humanoid robots are trained to solve problems with human movements. But the real power will come when robots can unlock their full potential by understanding their own capabilities to solve unique problems. The Caltech team is currently building models that will help robots realize these general abilities to navigate any situation they might encounter.